Hi, Zyler. Zyler's got the hiccups. He just ate for an hour and like 10 minutes. He's 5 days old today. And he's so handsome. Hiccups. Hi, baby. Ooh. Hi. Hey, buddy. Are you talking to me? You want to smile for us like you did for Daddy the other day?
Tyler.
Who's that?
You got the hiccups, boy?
It'd be awesome if he turned around to look at you. Call him again.
Zyler. Zyler.
Who's that,
What
baby?
are you doing in there, boy?
Oh, this is Daddy. Nobody wants to look at Daddy.
Nope.
Ooh, that's a big old hiccup.
Tyler, what are you doing? Nothing?
Nothing, but it's
Okay.
the most adorable. You know who would love videos like this?
My mom?
Yeah. Grandparents. My mommy, too. Okay, we're signing off. It's your first video before you start crying. Bye-bye.
See you later. Say see you later.